Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to play the forest on VR. Put on your headset and launch the game in VR mode, or install the trusted mod if needed, then adjust in-game settings for comfort and performance. Set movement options to your preference, such as teleport or smooth locomotion, and confirm audio is routed through the headset. Finally, do a quick test run in a safe area to verify controls and comfort before starting a longer session. In this video, I will show how to play the forest on VR. Learn control basics. Grab with the trigger, swing with motion, and use the grip for holds or tools. Toggle movement style in settings to teleport if you get motion sick, or pick smooth locomotion for continuous exploration. Practice building a simple shelter to familiarize yourself with item placement and quick crafting, and test combat moves gently against harmless targets before engaging enemies. In this video, I will show how to play the forest on VR. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker adds rich, room-filling sound that makes ambient forest noises and audio cues pop while you play. It is a small upgrade that makes scare moments and weather effects feel cinematic, and it pairs nicely with your headset setup. If that sounds useful, please subscribe and like. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to play the forest on VR. Start by collecting edible plants, sticks, and rocks to craft essential tools and a basic shelter near a water source. Build a fire and a torch for visibility, then craft an axe to chop trees and defend yourself. Stay mobile when exploring caves, use light sources, and retreat to a saved shelter if enemies overwhelm you, conserving supplies for longer survival stretches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.